हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सॉरी इतने दिनों से पोस्ट नहीं कर पा रहा था मैं बिकॉज देयर वाज नथिंग मच दैट आई हैड टू शेयर अनलाइक अ लास्ट टाइम व्हेन आई मेड वेरी क्लियरली दैट मार्केट हैज मेड द बॉटम एट 16400 एंड वहाँ से I am not able to see there's any other downfall, although everyone around was saying that we have a chance to go at 15,000, 16,000. But I clearly mentioned that that's a panic bottom that we have right now, because after a break of a major support which was currently at 16,800, we saw a panic push of a you know rally जो शुरू हुई है, which is still not on any kind of a end. अभी हम समवेयर अराउंड 17,900 पे आके रुके हुए हैं। अब ये तो एक कंफर्मेशन बहुत ही क्लियरली आ चुकी है कि मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि 17,300 to 400 पे एक छोटा सा पॉज मिल सकता है, नहीं तो मैक्सिमम एट 17,600, बट वहाँ नहीं आया। इसका यही मतलब क्लियरली बनता है कि मार्केट ने अपना ट्रेंड कम्प्लीटली चेंज कर दिया है, बिकॉज अपना जो लोअर लो था वहाँ से जहाँ से मार्केट ने 1,000 पॉइंट फॉल दिया था वो था 17,600, जो मेरे हिसाब से मार्केट को वहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस लेके थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहिए था। बट अगर क्योंकि अभी उस टाइम ने स्पेंड नहीं किया तो ये क्लियर कंफर्मेशन अपने पास है कि मार्केट ने अभी डिसाइड कर लिया है कि इट इज़ गोइंग टू टच प्रीवियस टॉप विच वॉज एट 18,600। अब ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि इमीडिएटली हो जाएगा एक हफ्ते में या एक महीने में एक्सेप्टर। माय पॉइंट इज़ वेरी सिंपल कि यहाँ से अब जब भी मार्केट फॉल होगा, छोटा मोटा मिनी क्रैशेस जैसे 100-200 पॉइंट, जहाँ पे फिर से सारे बियर्स एक्टिव हो जाएंगे, तो माय सैम्बल रिक्वेस्ट कि ऐसा कुछ अगर पॉइंट मिले आपको जहाँ पे अगर आपको बाय एनी चांस 17,600 दिख जाता है इन डे और 2 और 3 और व्हेनेवर, प्लीज़ डोंट मिस एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बाय कॉल्स फॉर द मंथ ऑफ फेब। बिकॉज वहाँ से अगर जो हम फिर से स्टार्ट होगा रैली विच विल टेक अस ऑल द वे टू 18,600, एंड इस रैली का जो सबसे बड़ा स्पॉन्सर होगा वो होगा बैंक निफ्टी, क्योंकि बैंक निफ्टी इज़ अ ओनली इंडेक्स एज ऑफ नाउ अक्रॉस ऑल द इंडेक्सेस जिसने परफॉर्म नहीं किया है एज़ कम्पेयर टू दी ऑल हाइज मेड बाय निफ्टी, निफ्टी आईटी, निफ्टी फार्मा, निफ्टी एफएमसीजी एंड एक्सेट्रा। तो वॉच आउट फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ अ मिनी क्रैश, मिनी फॉल, 100-200 पॉइंट, any smaller panic that would happen, because we have a run up from 16,400 all the way 17,900, so I'm expecting some kind of a wave to chota mota kind of a correction, which is very 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 normal. We don't have to panic, and neither do we have to pay. See, idea of a trending market, if you are able to captivate, is to not take a participation in the reversal. So now, if even if the reversal has to happen tomorrow or whenever, you don't have to really participate, because we cannot say कि it is going to definitely come at 17,600 and then move up. It can actually start moving from 17,800 also, because see, when the market is going up in the pace, so right now the important thing to watch out here is the pace. Whenever the market start to move the pace, so it will start to make a bottom in a very, means if right now from 17,900, let's say tomorrow if we open at 18,000 for any reason, so if we try to make a subtle bottom, we will start to have it somewhere near to 17,800 also. So now this is not the thumb rule. It has to be like, it can be 17,600, 17,700. My point that I'm trying to make right now over here is that whichever bottom is witnessed to us in next few days, let us not try to predict a down move, rather wait for an opportunity to buy good kind of a calls, because मुझे 50 से भी यहाँ पे अगर आते हैं बैक टू 17,600, तो मेरा सजेशन तो यही है कि वी शुड स्टार्ट बाइंग कॉल 17,600 to 700 का जो ये एरिया है। अगर ये गलती से भी पुल बैक यहाँ पे देता है तो डोंट मिस एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बाय दिस पुल बैक, बिकॉज आई एम प्रिटी श्योर कि ये पुल बैक जब भी आता है, जब भी यहाँ पे लिमिट होता है, तो द नेक्स्ट स्टॉप that we can see would be all the way till previous high which is 18,600, एंड ये आने में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा और द वे इट हैज़ स्टार्टेड आई एम प्रिटी श्योर मैक्सिमम किसी ने पार्टिसिपेट इस रैली में नहीं किया रहेगा और नेक्स्ट टाइम भी जब ये छोटा मोटा डाउनफॉल देता है तो ये किसी को भी फिर पार्टिसिपेट करने नहीं देगा क्योंकि आई एम प्रिटी श्योर एज अ मार्केट साइकोलॉजी एवरी वन वॉन्ट्स अ पर्टिकुलर लेवल टू कम टू बाय और सेल everyone because this is what we have been taught. A technical analysis is all just that, but when the market is in a raging move, okay, in such moves market will never make any top or bottom available on the charts, right? So as I even me it becomes sometimes difficult to know the pullback. Like I expected a pullback to happen at 17,600, but it did not happen. All of it 7,900. So the point being is very clear. If you see any smaller kind of a 50, 70, 80, 100 point correction, don't hesitate. Just buy it. You keep an open window of you averaging if it comes anywhere below 70. I'm pretty sure once we have the pullback done, the next rally which would start would be very furious and it will take us to all the way 100. After that we will check again oscillators to see if that move at 18,600 is permitted to go above or not. For now, a very simple message, please buy the dip. Okay, now let's go back to the stock that I had suggested last time. So if you would recall, I had indicated that I feel the IT has done a bottoming out and it is now all set to move ahead. So I had made very clearly, and I had even marked a point 3700, which I told very clearly if we move anywhere about 3700 even for a day or so, please feel free to buy it. We saw nearly 200, nearly 150 point move up. We are still at 3860, although there has been good correction today in IT index as a whole, of majorly sponsored by Infosys. I feel you are still at a good point to buy TCS in particular or even HCL Tech because they both have been beaten down like crazy. And I'm not saying that there would be a possibility of it correcting again from their recent tops. There could be a possibility, but my point here is that if you're able to see any smaller correction happening in this, just like a Nifty, feel free to buy it, hedge it with some near puts, and hold it till the moment there's any positive signs for IT sector or anywhere in the budget. Now their results are nearing because I think from January 22nd somewhere results will start flowing in for all the major blue chip companies. So in all that IT would be show IT would, I'm pretty sure they would show some pretty good results. It is yet to come, so we don't know because whenever we have seen IT results coming, they are all better than the previous quarters. And also we have seen one major point that USD INR has somehow corrected and IT has not been able to move that it took it from 74.5 76.5, although now it has come back to 74.5, but the IT hasn't taken much benefit of it, so that will, I'm sure, pretty well somewhere will reflect in the result in the revenue, in the forex revenues. So that will fury the rally in IT. But for now, if you see any correction, please feel free to buy it. And if you recall, on my Twitter I had mentioned that after I analyzed ICICI Bank, I was pretty clear that this stock is all set to surprise bears, and the moment this stock starts performing, a rally igniting in the bank nifty which happened. So you pick up any stock right now, any banking, any non-banking, I'm pretty sure you will get a very clear signal that this market is all set to blaze. So please make sure that a next correction, whenever whatever quantity it comes, you are not behind to not buy. Thank you.